Hi everyone, this is Chia and you're watching Chia's Art. Today I'm gonna show you how to make charcoal powder at home. Hit the red subscribe button and click on the bell icon for upcoming drawing tutorials. These soft charcoal pencils that I have used for making charcoal powder. First at all, I am taking this sandpaper. You can buy it from any paint shop. Now take your charcoal pencil and rub it on this sandpaper hardly. Not apply too much pressure, rub it in medium pressure. Now I am taking white paper for showing you how it look like. Now I am taking soft blending brush and show you how it blends. Mostly it is used for black and grey backgrounds. Now I am shifting it in this small box. You can see that how smooth it is. Now I am showing you some of my drawings in which I have used this powder. You can also see all of my these drawings on Instagram. Link is given in description. So finally you can see that how to make charcoal powder at home. Thanks for watching. Check my previous video, subscribe my channel, like my page on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.